Let's get old girl over here so we can get a better look at her. You know, I really hate to do this because, like I said, I drive this car. It's a good car. Runs good, starts good. But man, does it squeak. Ah, the belt squeak. Because I can't drive this thing at all without this. It's annoying as shit, ain't it? Let's get this build started. Got our 9350 out of our old junk car. We're going to try to keep this as budget as possible. Not really sure whether we're going to do EFI or stick a 4-barrel on it, but we'll have a beer about it and find out. But right now we need to get it cleaned up and see what we really got. We're going to grab our super clean and see if we can't clean this thing up. Now it's fresh off the work day, so I figured I'd get some help from the boys, and plus they really wanted to pressure wash it themselves. I'd let them have at it. Now I originally got this engine, well, car, for the harness, the engine, and everything. But after seeing how big that harness is and how hard it would be to tuck it up under the dash and try to hide it, I'm really kind of torn on whether I want to stick the carburetor on this thing. It does still have a slush box AOD in it, but it's been great on the highway, great cruising transmission. I really want to stick the top loader back in it, but I'm afraid I'm missing some of the pieces for the Z-bar and the clutch kit. And to be honest, I'm not really sure where to find any of it. So if you have any suggestions or links, leave them in the comments. Let me know. Help a brother out. Engine and things that matter. All this is called accessories. Right? All this is coming off. That was, we only got 3 things.
So you took all the accessories?
Yeah, we don't have air conditioning or power steering in that old car. This car had power. This is a slog pump, power steering pump, air conditioner. We're not using this one, and we're definitely taking this off because this kills all your power.
Brand new caddy. Brand new caddy.
Everybody wanting this, everybody wanting that. Everybody want your boy to explode on the track and bring home a bag. Everybody talking shit, man, everybody getting smacked. Everybody beefing on the beat, but all I hear is motherfucking trash. Everybody wanting this, everybody wanting that. Everybody want your boy to explode on the track and bring home a bag. Everybody talking shit, man, everybody getting smacked. Everybody beefing on the beat, but all I hear is motherfucking trash. Everybody always wanting something with their hands out. Motherfucker, I ain't got nothing to be handing out. Where were you when I was broke and your man was down? Leave me alone, homie, swear.
Well, we got all the junk off of it. All the dirt. Came pretty clean for what it is, actually. We are going to have to change the pan because it needs a front sump, oil pump, pickup tube. Water pump, I know, has to change. Might have to do the timing cover to move the dipstick. I'm not sure yet. My biggest concern is getting all the wiring. And no, I'm not an old head per se, but I do think a carburetor is a whole lot simpler.
What you doing, Bubba?
Hey, Daddy.
What are you doing? Tell me about it. Can you explain what you're doing?
I don't know. But this thing still won't come on. I'm missing something?
I don't know. Take a good look at it. What piece are you trying to get off? You got all your bolts out?
This bolt is out and that bolt is out. There's no bolt right here.
Try to pull it out.
It's still working out.
Yeah. This is something I've been wanting to do for a very long time. It's time to make it right. It's time to make this car pretty. And to give it the engine it deserves. So I'm going to start with the engine. Next video, we'll get to tearing the car down and start making it pretty. I know we need to put an apron in it. Front apron anyway. Because of battery rust, normal Mustang stuff. Let's see. Cow panel's going to be fine. I'm not messing with it. It's covered up. It's not pouring water in it or anything like that. Sealed up car for what it can be for a 66. I got a rust hole in the bottom of the door. Got the skin for it. We're going to do some patching on it. Shouldn't take much and this car should be good to go.